Angel, ask Daddy to sing a Justin Bieber song.
Daddy, sing a Justin Bieber song.
I don't know it. I know the Bubble Pop song.
Then do the Bubble Pop song.
Angel! Right, it's Bank Holiday Monday and Leo and Angel have made a massive mess in this garden. So that means I'm gonna do a challenge with you guys and the guys at home. And the challenge is, I'm gonna ask you some questions and you guys have to guess the answers. What do you think of that?
That is easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And also, if you guys know the questions, and it's starting to rain, so if you guys know the answers at home, don't forget to put a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like button. Copied that off Jordan from Toys and Me. And don't forget, ow, Leo has put all stones all over the garden, look at that, from round that hot tub. So don't forget. Yeah, I know, right. Are you ready? Because if they can't guess the right answer, then I'm gonna squirt them with the hose pipe. Let's do a test, ready? On the wall. Oh, this water's freezing as well. Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
And I'll tell you the rules. If you don't, the one who answers it last gets a squirt. So comment at home, guys, if you know the answer as well.
Yeah!
What is Tiana's brother's name?
Jordan!
Oh, okay, yeah, you got that one right. I wonder if the guys at home commented the right answer. Next question, and I'm ready. What is Tiana's dad called?
Nigel!
Not Argel, it's Nigel. You was both wrong. You was both wrong, you both cheated. Next question. Are you ready? What did we do to Jordan on the meet and greet?
Shared him with his heart.
Leo!
Yeah.
You took ages to get that answer right. Okay, what are you eating, Angel?
Lollipop.
A lollipop?
It's his hot lips.
Hot lips. What is Tiana's YouTube channel called?
Poison me. Poison me.
Oh, you were slower. Leo doesn't know any of the facts about Tiana. Ah. Okay. Nigel again! Oh no! Come back home, you cheeky boy. Nigel! Oh, I'm gonna get you again! Stop saying Nigel! Stop saying Nigel! Tiana's dad's real name is Nigel. How did you know that?
Nigel. Big Nigel!
Big Nigel? Oh no! And if Tiana's dad is called Big Nigel, what's Tiana's brother called?
Jordan.
No, Big Jordan!
Big Jordan! Nigel!
Stop saying Nigel! Tiana's dad don't tell anybody he's called Nigel. Why? Why don't you tell anybody he's called Nigel?
Nigel!
Because at the meet and greet, everybody was saying
Nigel!
Yeah, everyone was saying Nigel! No, everybody was saying Tiana's dad and nobody knew his name.
Nigel!
Nigel! Right, what did Tiana put on her daddy's head in the hot tub? No! Oh yeah, that's right, he did slime. Right, next question. You cheeky What are you laughing for? Right, okay, what colour is Tiana's mum's car?
Black.
Yeah.
Black.
Yeah, okay.
But Leo's slower.
I'm not going to call him Leo anymore, I'm going to call him Nigel. Because he keeps saying Nigel. What, you want to ask me questions?
Yeah.
What, and you get the hose?
Can I have it, please?
Okay, one question each then.
Right, what colour is a horse?
What colour is a horse?
Yeah. Yeah.
Blue. Nigel! Nigel, help me! Nigel! Nigel! Right, okay, Leo's time for a question. No, Angel's time for a question.
What colour are your eyebrows?
Blue. No, black! This colour.
Right, Leo's 10 square.
Can I have it?
Leo's 10 square.
What is this?
Grey.
No!
Nigel! If I say Nigel, that means you have to stop. Tiana's done, Nigel. Nigel, stop it, Nigel!
I've got one.
Mummy's got one, Mummy's got one.
What colour is the pony? Sorry, what's the pony's name in Peppa Pig?
I don't know that. I don't know that. It's called Nigel.
What's it really called, kids?
What's it called?
The giraffe called in Peppa Pig.
What's the giraffe called in Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Long neck.
No. Gerald! Gerald!
Nigel! Nigel! Nigel!
What's your hair called?
Angel, ask Daddy to sing a Justin Bieber song.
Daddy, sing a Justin Bieber song.
I don't know it. I know the Bubble Pop song.
Then do the Bubble Pop song.
Angel! No, stop. I'm saying Nigel. I'm saying Tiana's dad's name. You have to stop.
Yeah?
You sing Tiana's song.
Yeah.
Sing it then. Look at that. Oh, you want to sweat now?
Nigel!
Oh, no, that was the right word. Sing it.
Yeah.
We're going on the road.
Now for the ground.
Oh, I didn't push me under.
Yeah, look at
Nina.
Angel, help me.
No.
Say Nigel, Daddy.
Nigel! I'm saying Nigel! Nigel means you have to stop.
Yeah.
Nigel!